Hello there, it's Susan, and I'm going to be doing a dip today. The colors I'm using Basics paints for these colors. I've got a bright aqua green. This is cerulean blue hue. And this is brilliant purple. I also have rustoleum metallic accents, and this is Harbor Sky. And also rustoleum metallic accents, white pearl. So I'm going to start with a black background. And let's see if I'm mixing my paints with something different today. It's a, where is it? Beauti-Tone Concrete Bonding Primer. So I'm using that as my pouring medium, and I'm I just mix this in with the paints. I will explain the ratios after I've done the painting. Okay. Start off with a black base coat. And my black here is Basics Mars Black mixed with Arteza Flow Acrylic Black. I'm going to leave the sides. I'll paint that in later if it turns out, so that I don't waste paint. So I think I might need a little bit more. Oops. I'm just going to pop some air bubbles. And I will let you listen to some music while I do the rest of this, because it's a little time consuming. Also, I want to mention my colors are all opaque, pretty much opaque. I think the metallic one of the metallic ones might, or not, both of them actually might be like semi-opaque. I'm not really sure. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to start off. best circle, but okay. I'm gonna go. Now I'm just going to add just straight yellow come from the bottle. I didn't mix it with anything for the center. See if that usually pretty good, it works pretty good, it doesn't get lost. So I'll see how it looks. Okay. All right, so now I gotta find okay, this is my Kim wipes that I use. I just spray them lightly with water. And then try to place it over the thing without any creases. I have one there. Well, I'm not going to move it. I'm just going to pat it down. I don't really care about this part there. Just ever so lightly I'm tapping. I'm not moving it or adjusting it or nothing. So, okay, I think it's all down. I don't think I have to tap any more, but just making sure. Okay. I grab these two first. Ooh. I did lose the yellow. I'm just gonna bring the center down a bit. Maybe. Oh, maybe not. I think it looks pretty good. I am just going to see if I can get some of that yellow to show. I think that's good enough. So now I'm just going to pop any air bubbles and see if I can get more cells going. Wow, that's pretty. I really like it. See how it dries. I've kind of lost the green a bit, the aqua. I only see a little bit on the outside. I think this This Harbor Sky took over quite a bit. I only see a little bit of blue there. I don't want to touch it. It's nice. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, is it focused? Yeah. So here's my notes. The emulsion that I have, I added approximately 1-to-1 with the paints, with the tube paints and their basics, Liquitex basics. So 1-to-1. The other ones, the metallic ones, I had to add less of the emulsion because the paints were a lot thinner than the tube paint. My base coat was about 80 I used 100 milliliters of paint to 80 milliliters of emulsion. So, what else? Yep, that's it, I guess. Okay, I'm not sure how I like it. I think it looks good like this. Okay.